Hello and welcome to the London Classic Car Show. The car you just saw was Ayrton Senna's first F1 car, and that's the great thing about the show, the live cars. So let's take a look at more of Senna's car as well as some other amazing cars. That was some of the live part of the show, of which there is a lot more to follow just after we take a look at one of the standout cars of the year, the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato shooting brake. One of 99 made, is probably one of the most beautiful cars of recent times. This car is part of a series of very special, very rare Aston Martins built in collaboration with the Italian coach builder Zagato, who are also known for producing beautiful cars. The Aston Martin Zagato series includes a coupe, a volante which is a convertible, a speedster and this shooting brake. The origins of the shooting brake type car goes back to the days of the landed gentry who wanted a car suitable for shooting hunts. The mechanical part of this car is based on the Vanquish S with a 5.9 litre V12 engine, but this car is not really about engineering, it's all about the design, and with that in mind, Aston Martin have produced a car that is very special. The body is made from lightweight hand-rolled aluminium and carbon fibre, taking over 2,000 hours to make. Now that we have taken a quick look at this stunning car, let's go back to more of the cars of the live show, which includes a parade of Bentley celebrating 100 years of the brand this year.
1,038 now on this feature. What was really expensive and high
This brings us to the end of the London Classic Car Show for this year. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.